This audiobook is based on our book about a key philosophical principle in medicine, without which a true understanding of human health is impossible. We extend the previously formulated principle of disease optimality to human health and human life, not only at the individual, but also at the societal level. In this chapter, we are talking about two mortalities and the trajectory of Wellspan. In its effort to outwit time, humanity has encountered a paradox in which quantitative victory over death becomes a qualitative defeat of life. We have learned to stretch chronological time, yet often do so at the cost of diluting the very essence of human existence. The tension between the duration of life and the capacity for self-awareness and active adaptation creates a new dramatic trap, which we call the longevity trap. Within the framework of the principle, we distinguish two fundamentally different endpoints that, in the modern era, increasingly diverge in time. The first mortality is a purely biological event, the arrest of metabolic processes and disintegration of the physical shell, which we describe as a single-use container for the genetic code. It is recorded by instruments, captured in demographic reports, and remains the chief focus of classical medicine. This is the end of lifespan chronological length of life, where success is measured by the simple number of days accumulated. Yet for the human being as subject, this measure is often empty, because preservation of form does not guarantee preservation of content, and life can slip into statistical inertia. Far more dramatic is the second mortality, the moment at which Wellspan collapses, that is, the interval of functional and existential integrity. This is the death of the person as an acceptor of the result of action, when the capacity for autonomy, creativity, and meaningful interaction with the world is lost. The second mortality often occurs long before the biological end, when dementia or severe multimorbidity erase memory and will, leaving the body to function in a mode of 93 biological noise. 94 At this point, a person's trajectory ceases to be a story and becomes merely a process of maintaining entropic equilibrium, in which the subject of movement is no longer present, even though the biological carrier continues to consume resources. CF5CB6. We will be grateful for your likes and for sharing information about this audiobook with others.